Welcome to Start My Channel, and welcome to my channel. Today we're diving deep into something that redefines the meaning of luxury travel. We're talking about the most luxurious motorhome of 2026, a vehicle that's not just a way to get from point A to B, but a 5-star hotel on wheels, a mansion that moves, and a masterpiece of design, technology, and comfort. If you've ever dreamed of traveling the world without leaving behind the comfort of home, this motorhome is going to blow your mind. Imagine stepping into a vehicle where every inch is crafted with elegance. As the door slides open silently, you're greeted with a space that looks like it belongs in a luxury penthouse. Italian leather upholstery, polished marble floors, ambient lighting that shifts with your mood, and handcrafted wooden accents throughout the cabin. This is not your ordinary RV. This is a rolling palace, designed for those who want the best of everything, everywhere they go. The living area feels like a high-end lounge, with an enormous L-shaped sofa, built-in massage chairs, and a 65-inch OLED smart TV that rises from the cabinetry at the push of a button. Voice commands control the climate, lighting, and entertainment system. There's even a holographic assistant that greets you and helps plan your next destination. Move into the kitchen, and you'll find a chef's dream. A full-size refrigerator, induction cooktops, convection oven, smart coffee machine, and even a wine cellar with temperature control. Every appliance is seamlessly integrated with the smart system, so you can cook from your app or let the AI suggest meals based on what's in your fridge. But the magic doesn't stop there. Step into the master bedroom, and you're welcomed by a California king-size bed with memory foam mattress, velvet headboard, and a retractable skylight above. There's a fireplace built into the wall, custom wardrobes, and automated blinds for complete privacy. And let's not forget the ensuite bathroom, a full spa experience with a rain shower, heated floors, smart mirror, and even a small sauna unit built into the rear compartment. The driver's cockpit, it feels like the bridge of a spaceship, with augmented reality navigation, AI-assisted driving, and 360-degree cameras. Piloting this luxurious machine is as smooth as flying first class. Whether you're navigating tight roads in a mountain village or cruising the highways of Europe or America, this motorhome does it all with grace and power. Under the hood, this beast is powered by a hybrid electric engine that offers over 700 horsepower. It features solar panels on the roof that charge the battery banks during the day and provide backup power at night. It's eco-friendly, powerful, and engineered for long journeys without compromise. One of the most amazing features is the expandable design. At the touch of a button, the sides extend outward to nearly double the interior space when parked. There's even a rooftop deck with seating and a mini hot tub for sunset views wherever you are. This motorhome is not just transportation, it's a lifestyle. It's freedom wrapped in luxury. Whether you're a millionaire looking to explore the world or someone who just loves the idea of the open road with 5-star living, the most luxurious motorhome of 2026 is something you have to see to believe. So stay tuned, because we're going to show you even more details, features, and behind-the-scenes looks at this jaw-dropping creation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more luxury vehicles, futuristic tech, and everything that turns dreams into reality.